Equipped with an industrial plug, 12 adapters, a dust enclosure, 2 lifting rods. The overall weight is 386. It is equipped with a 15 kW motor, dual searchlights at the front and rear, large capacity water tank, 25 kilograms of counterweight iron on each side. Comes with a toolbox, a vacuum cleaner interface, 2 USB ports. It is possible to charge the phone. Grinding disc mounting. Connect the industrial plug first. Release the e-stop button. Press the start button. Adjust the grinding speed. The direction of travel is manually adjusted.